Hey, thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Today I am super excited to share my trunk club with you. So it has been quite some time since I had a trunk. This is my 5th trunk, but the second one that I've had with my new stylist, Danae. And she did a great job on the first trunk. And when she sent me the preview for this trunk and I got to see everything, it seemed perfect. Some of these pieces may not be perfect on me, but they are perfectly cute and I can hardly wait to give them a try. So I went ahead and undid all the plastic wrap, and since it's so noisy, but I have this box right here for you. So let's dig in and see what it is. And Trunk Club is $25 styling fee unless you have Nordstrom card, which I do, and then they send it to you free of charge. So the first thing is a pair of shoes, and I'm looking forward to seeing these in person. They're by BP Brass Plum, and they're a sandal, and it's kind of reflecting on the light, but it's a metallic strap with the camel strap. Goes with many things, so I look forward to trying those on. The second pair of shoes is really similar to a pair of shoes that I bought at Target a couple years ago, and I basically wore them out because I wore them so much, and I thought it may be worthwhile to invest in a similar pair that was higher quality. So they look like this. They're real leather, and they're just a dark chocolate brown, strappy, got some foam and support, and that's the second ones. Then this is maybe the only time I think I've ever gotten any jewelry from Trunk Club, and there are a couple of watches. So I don't mind investing in watches because I basically wear them until they just fall apart. And I still actually have my high school Seiko watch, and every other watch I've ever owned, I have literally worn it until it has fallen apart. So these are by Rebecca Minkoff, which is one of my new favorite designers, and I have 2 that Danae sent me, and then I actually ordered one that I've been stocking from Nordstrom, so I want to compare them. So this first one is going to be hard to see reflections, huh? The first one, it has a kind of pewter face and then a blush band with studs. And that's the first style. The second one is a tan with the kind of mother of pearl cream colored face. And then the one that's not Trunk Club, but it's still Nordstrom, that was kind of my inspiration one, so I had to order it, is black face with tan, and I thought that could go with a lot of things. So I will try those on, and then you can help me decide if any of them or all are good. So here's my clothing bundle. There's 12 things in this trunk, so it's a lot to go through, so I'll try not to take too long. The first thing is by Madewell. And I have a pair of dark denim jeans that I bought, that I got from my original trunk that were Page, and they were $179, and I kind of stalked them and found them on Nordstrom Rack on sale for $79, so I saved $100. So I actually have a pair now of dark wash, non-distressed, regular jeans, but I still wanted to try these Madewell because I've never tried this brand before, and I thought, why not try it and see if I like it just for future reference. And then this is a pair of light wash, which I actually don't have any light wash, but I prefer dark wash, but I thought I'd give light wash a try. So these are by Good American, and they're just plain non-distressed light. Then we get into the fun stuff. So this is by Dakota. It is a bright pink floral with flutter sleeve and crisscross front, and then goes down to more ruffle fun. So wrap dress. And these are difficult to look good on me, but I look forward to trying that one. And the next dress is by Charles Henry. It's a blue and white stripe. It's got like a little bib front with the vertical stripes that come down to a ruffle. It's nicely lined. So that's adorable. And next we have a cute skirt. It's got lemons all over it. Lemons! It's a very fun print for summer. So look forward to trying that. And if that wasn't enough fruity goodness for you, now I have some pineapples by Lush, and it's got the 3/4 bell sleeve with pineapples. Oh, sorry, I don't think I did the brand of the, this is Mimi Chica. Mimi Chica does the skirt. And then another BP is like a Western chambray. So it's got the lighter chambray at the top and then a little slightly darker chambray, sleeveless. Simple. Don't have anything like that, so I look forward to trying that one. And then we have a Caslon, which is a Nordstrom brand that I love, with kind of a boxy short sleeve, darker denim, buttons all the way down the front, full tunic. So beautiful. So those are my 12/13 with the extra watch pieces. I will do a try on, and then I cannot afford to keep all 13 pieces. So depending on how they fit, I would really covet your opinions and comments, and maybe post below in the comments which 1 or 2 items are particularly your favorites, or which ones you think I should definitely keep or definitely send back. Thanks. Okay, so first is the Charles Henry bib stripe dress. It's sleeveless. It's a good length under the arms. I love the contrasting vertical and horizontal stripe. And then the length of it is nice, right at the knee. It is a straight shift cut. All right, next we have the Kirsten Blossom Wrap dress by Dakota. This is a little short for my liking. I like my dresses to be down to the top of my knees, so this is a little short, and it actually feels very roomy up top. The shoulders are down here, so I feel like maybe a size down, but even then this dress is a little short for me, so because it's only going to get shorter as you size down. But I love the color, love this print, love the concept. Love you, Danae, for sending it to me to give it a try. All right, so sadly, the Mimi Chica lemon skirt is too small for my hips. So I might go online and see if this is on sale online and order it maybe in a bigger size, because I really like it. But I can't sadly try that on for us. But the Pineapple Lush bell sleeve top, I can get into, and I rather like it. I rather think it's cute. So it's a little flowy and big, but I like that because then it doesn't pull so much across my chest, and I'm almost always going to wear it probably tucked in. And then these are the Good American light wash jeans. And let me take you down to... Okay, next we have the Tunic by Caslon in navy. And this really cute, really comfortable. It's very rectangular, very long. These are my tops of my knees here, so it is dress length. There's a little slit in the side and then a little bit longer in the back. Love the color, love the fabric. I don't feel like the shape of it is helping flatter me, but let me know what you think. Okay, so another, sadly, the Madewell jeans don't quite fit. They're super tight. I could maybe possibly get them on, but I was scared I would never get them off. So we will try those again someday in a slightly bigger size. And this is the BP Western chambray shirt. It has the differing hues. There's the length. And be cute tucked in with my Texas boots. Okay, so here's the 3 watches, all by Rebecca Minkoff. There's the one with the black face and the tan band, and then the second one is a larger face, pearlized with just a plain tan band, and then the last one's the pewter with the blush and the studs, which I like a lot, but is very similar to the watch I currently own. So those are the 3 choices. Here's the one I wear right now. That's an Anne Klein that I like very much. All right, so here are the sandals by BP with the metallic front and caramel base. They have some nice padding on the feet. They're pretty comfortable. They're not very easy to get on, but I will wear them around and see how they hang out. Okay, these are the rainbow braided sandals. They have a color contrast on the inside sole, which I didn't notice before, and then just solid on the outside. They've got some nice foamy base and the braided detail there. Okay, now that I am a hot mess from trying everything on, I want to go over the prices and then ask again, if you don't mind, for your input. So the skinny jean Madewell are $128. They were too small. The bell sleeve shirt is $44. I love that. This dress, which I did love but didn't quite fit right, it's $95. The western shirt is $49. The strappy sandal, this one, is $59.95. The button tunic, really long tunic, is $79 by Caslon. The lovely fruit print skirt that doesn't fit was $35, so that was the most affordable thing. This is the shift dress stripe bib front, $88. And the good legs, good American jeans, $169. The flip-flop leather braid is $54. And then the watches, the one I ordered myself direct from Nordstrom is $150. This one is $125, and this one is $150. So these are investment pieces, so you have to tell me which one, if any, you think I should go ahead and invest in, and let me know what you think about all the clothes. And I appreciate your time and your input, and if you like these videos, I will be doing one at least once a month, so hit the red subscribe button and come along with me on my crazy obsession. Thanks so much. Have a blessed day.